Okay, standard disclaimer. I am not a machinist, gunsmith, or welder, so probably doing this bass-ackwards and completely wrong, so don't try this. Oh wow, look how crooked that bolt is. Okay, so I just marked, and the handle's put in correctly. I marked exactly where it's hit. Now I'm going to go stick this in a vise and file that flat. Or attempt to. Actually, my lathe might be the best bet. Okay, we're at 349 right now, so I don't need to take much off. Okay, what am I at now? $342. Now, I'm not going to cut this all the way back down to where it was. There's been significant wear on all the parts. So, being a little thicker is for the best right now. You know, if the headroom's too small, it's easy enough to pop out and hit with a file again. You know, not perfect, but good enough. While I have this guy out like this, God, look how crooked that bolt is. That bolt's can be fun to fix. One of the things I want to do right now is just gently hit this with a piece of sandpaper to clean up any goop or oxidation on the outside. I'm not looking to take any significant material off. I just want to shine it up. Alright, there's a nice groove that's been cut into it just from wear. But anyways, I think the plan is to polish this part eventually. So I'm going to do as much as I can right now in the lathe. Save a lot of manual time. Like I said, I'm not looking to take any material off here. I'm just, or even get the scratches out at this point. I just want to shine it up and take as much discoloration out of the metal as I can. Looks pretty good. Before I do that, I'm gonna clean this guy up. Yeah, I'm just not looking to screw with that bolt that much. Right here on here you can see where someone came through and ground off. This is original. I'm not sure about these two chunks, but right here there's someone's lightly ground around this pin, which I think is the way that doesn't make any sense why they do it there. Must have been jamming a little bit. It's the only thing I can think of. Okay, so what's left? This bolt. It is definitely bent, and I need to straighten it. So, go wash my hands and try and figure out how in the hell I'm going to do that. Okay, here I got the bolt in a little jig, and as you can see, it is bent beyond belief. So, I've screwed it in as far as I can. I'm going to go stick this in a vise and start bending it. I'm sort of torn. You know, the normal way you'd heat it up, bend it, and be done. But I'm afraid if I heat it up, it's going to, since right where it bent the first time, it's work hardened, it's going to bend somewhere else. Or I can just not worry about it since I just tweaked it a little bit, and that's... Boy, that bent back way easier than I had expected. Wow, that went a lot easier than I expected. Okay, I thought this was going to be a royal pain to straighten, you know, heat, bend, yada yada yada. Actually, turns out it was cake. Apparently this bolt is about as soft as they get because, as you saw, I just screwed this into a plate and tweaked it back and forth until everything straightened out. Well, with that, I think I can reassemble this guy. Spring is broken, but as long as it fires, I don't think I'm going to do anything about it. And the only other thing is, I'm going to oil everything up quick before I slap it all back together. Okay, I'm going to cheat a little bit at this point. Now the tough part, how do I... So that's in there pretty good. Next, firing pin. Before I do that, just a little bit of oil down that groove. Last little bit of crap out from oh, much better than before. Like night and day. Okay, pack some oil on it. And with that, this guy's ready to go back. Get reassembled with the rest of the gun. I think the current plan is this is going to get blued, bolt's going to get polished, and the stock's going to get refinished. So, but as far as machining goes, this guy's all done. Hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, click the like button. Let me know you want more. Comments, questions, suggestions, insults, put them down below and I'll try and check it every once in a while and get back to you. Laters.